We discussed how to write the chemical formula of a compound containing monovalent, divalent and trivalent ions. Let us discuss some more problems related to monovalent, divalent and trivalent ions. We discussed that in order to write the monovalent ions, the first rule is, first of all, we have to write the symbols of the compound. What are the elements present in it? Suppose if it is a magnesium chloride, the formula contains the elements magnesium and chlorine. Okay, so we have studied that the negative ions, its name is changed to chloride. Chlorine is changing into chloride. Oxygen is changing into oxide. Bromine is changing into bromide. Iodine is changing into iodide. Sulfur is changing into sulfide, like that. So, first of all, we write the elements symbols. Then charge. You can write charge or you can write it as valency. If you are writing valency, no need to write the plus or minus symbol. If you are writing charge, you specify the symbol. So it is better to write the valency here. Okay, so magnesium have the valency 2 and chlorine have the valency 1. Next step is we are cross multiply the valencies of the elements. So cross multiply means the valency of chlorine is now the valency of magnesium, and the valency of magnesium will go as valency of chlorine, interchanging their valency, cross multiplying their valency. Thus magnesium gets 1 Mg1 and chlorine gets the valency 2, that is Cl2. Thus the compound symbol becomes MgCl2. Next is hydrochloride, hydrogen chloride. So the symbols, the elements present in as hydrogen and chlorine, and the symbol is written as H and Cl. Its valency is hydrogen 1, chlorine 1. So try to study the valency while you are doing the problems. Now we know that chlorine valency is 1. Again we have here we have done the chlorine. So remember that chlorine is having the valency 1. By heart all these things. Okay, so hydrogen gets the valency of 1 and chlorine gets the valency of 1 of hydrogen. Thus interchanging their valency, since both of them having the valency 1. So there will not any confusion. So straight away you can write H1Cl1, that is HCl. If the valency is 1, no need to specify as 1. It is understood, it is 1. So H1Cl1, that is HCl. Next is hydrogen sulfide. All this we have done in the last class. Okay, just for your information only, I am again and again. If you have any doubt, it will be clear. So hydrogen and sulfide. Sulfide is S. So hydrogen's valence is 1. Now we know hydrogen valence is 1. Sulfur is 2. Interchanging H. So hydrogen gets the valency of sulfur and sulfur gets the valency of hydrogen. So H2S1. H2S1. Aluminium oxide. Oxide means oxygen. So study that oxygen oxide. It becomes oxide when it gets negative ions. When it is gaining one more electron. When it is gaining more than one electron, its name changed into oxygen oxide, chlorine chloride, like that. So aluminium gets the valency of oxygen. Oxygen valency is 2. So aluminium is Al2. Oxygen gets the valency of aluminium. Aluminium having the valency 3. So oxygen get O3. So the formula is Al2O3. Okay. Second rule we have discussed is if there is a metal and non-metal combination. We know that magnesium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. When you write a metal non-metal combination, magnesium chloride, the name is magnesium chloride. So first of all we have to specify the metals. Magnesium is a metal, then the chlorine. So first you have to write the symbol of magnesium, then chlorine. So same as above, the formula is MgCl2.